Peñalba. Number 88, pass number 23. Pass number 19. Number 19, binigay sa ilalim. 150, wala bola. Offensive foul. Ganun ang tawag eh. Siliano, bumunggo, naipit, pero may foul. Foul number...
Wala na eh.
Number 22, pass number 9, sumubok sa 3, good for 3 points. Gumana na. Number 19, pass number 88, mukhang babawi, pinasa sa ilalim. Out of bounds, labasan boy. Number 9, pass number 0, umatake, no good, na rebound Nino, number 13, pass number 19. Oh, kick ball na. Bola ng labasan. Number 9, pass to number 7. Back to number 9. Number 9, pass to number 0. Pass to number 9, pass to number 0, pass to number 22, pass to number 150. Raider 150, sumira sa 3, good for 3. Lupet. Number 19, pass to number 23, pass to number 88. Peñalba. Number 88, pinilit. Line violation, out of bounds. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 13, good for 2. Taong red. Number 9. Pass number 0. Nakuha ni number 150. Pass number 7. Pass number 9. Pass number 22. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Good for 3 points. And Binarel. May kasama pang fried noodles ni Hana. Nawala ang bola, nakuha, Nino, ni Raider, 150, pass number 0, Corda, good for 2. Kinilig si Hana, kinilig. Number 88, ayan, nice nila ni number 9. Pass number 150, good for 2. Reserve timeout. Number 88. Nice to Raider 150. Hindi nabutan, nakuha ni 19. Nice to Hindi, nakuha ni number 88. Number 88, Davis. No good, pero may foul. Foul number 7. Timeout. Udong. Score natin. Official score. 51-37. Unti-unti nang lumalaki ang kalamangan ng labasan. Sino yun? Huwag na kaya. Shoutout daw sa'yo. Yeah, sabi ni Thea.